Unstable terrains which trigger landslides have caused major damages to main roads in Ungaran, a district in Semarang Regency, Central Java, Indonesia.
The disaster is expanding with a 16 hectares area of landslide which might heavily be affected to roads and villages nearby as rainfall will increase anytime. Experts and geologists from Diponegoro University have monitored the unstable terrain and found that it potentially covers larger areas reaching 100 meters away from the landslide spot now. Experts warn that the disaster will not only cut the main roads but also will affect dozens of houses. Authorities have ordered residents there to avoid the landslide site.